Hey everyone, what's going on? Aaron here with RHRSwag, and in today's video we have a selection of roll-up covers. Now, a vinyl roll-up cover is a great addition to any truck. It really helps keep the weather elements out if you're dealing with any rain, any snow like we have. It's a great upgrade, and it's a great economical upgrade. You know, you're not going to be into it for too terrible of a price point. So let's get started. We've got a great selection of covers, and a lot of it's going to come down to personal preference. So pay attention because we've got a lot of features and benefits.
The RHR1S roll-up premium vinyl roll-up cover. Clamp on install, fast open and close, seals on all sides, or store it forward for big cargo. Works with racks like Access LITERIDER, premium roll-up vinyl cover, fast open and close, clamp on install, and a 5-year warranty. Adjustable tension, works with the Adirac. Access TONNOSPORT, vinyl roll-up cover. Open it fast, store it forward for big cargo. Slide locking system locks. Works with racks like Access VANISH, trigger latch release, tension control system, full clamp on install. Premium vinyl roll-up cover. The TRUXPORT vinyl roll-up cover, featuring paddle latch and release systems, a full clamp install, 5-year warranty, and a full auto tension system, making sure it's always looking tight. Unfortunately, no racks work. The RHRXL roll-up premium vinyl cover. Roll it up fast and store it forward for big cargo. Seals on all 4 sides. Keep out the weather. Works with racks. The Access Original roll-up, featuring dual locking latches, full clamp-on install. Keep your cargo safe and dry. Works with the Adirac. Access LOREDO, premium vinyl roll-up, super low profile, quick clamp install, and dual locking latches. Works with the Adirac M Series, Contour, Pro, and Original. Access Toolbox Edition does not work with a rack. The Access Limited Edition, luxury soft roll-up cover. Fast clamp install, dual locking latches, and even includes a cargo grabber for that hard-to-reach cargo. Included is the LED bed light. Works with the Adirac.
Okay everyone, there we have it. Thank you for stopping by, and remember, every cover in this video is featured on our website. Feel free to stop by, hit us up with any additional questions that you might have. RHRSwag.com. Remember to like, subscribe, follow at RHRSwag. Thanks guys.